built our development, we came to a huge contradiction that we destroy around us. And we didn't know how to do with this. And Lélia came with an incredible idea, a crazy idea, said, why you don't put back here the rainforest that was before? You tell that you're born in paradise, let's build the paradise again.
Over the last 20 years, Salgado has led one of the largest reforestation projects in the world, the Instituto Terra. Despite all this effort, there's still a lot to be done, and the Institute needs help to keep fighting for the forest. An urgent call that we turned into music. We invited Gilberto Gil, one of the greatest artists of all time, to create an original song, Refloresta. A hymn of love for nature, inspired by the work of Instituto Terra. Refloresta adds to the acclaimed trilogy, Refazenda, Refavela, and Realce.
Uivos, murmúrios, lamentos ancestrais. Porque não deixamos nosso mundo em paz.
The highly crafted video was inspired by Tropicalia, one of the most important artistic movements in history. Refloresta took over TikTok and became a global movement for environmental restoration.
O Fantástico mostra a união de dois grandes artistas brasileiros numa declaração de amor à natureza.
And the most important result, the campaign secured more than 300,000 new trees to be planted. Refloresta makes history by diving into pop culture to deliver an urgent message in the form of entertainment.
Manter em pé o que resta não basta. Já quase todo ouro verde se foi. Agora é hora de ser refloresta, que o coração não destrói.